If you have an interview ahead, are planning to switch your job, or are a fresher looking for opportunities in data analytics, database management, or software development, then this video is for you. SQL aggregate functions are among the most frequently asked concepts in technical interviews because they help businesses summarize and analyze large datasets efficiently. Recruiters often test your ability to calculate totals, averages, counts, and business metrics using SQL. In this video, you will learn practical aggregate functions, business use cases, and interview questions with hands-on examples. Let's hop onto SQL joins in detail. Aggregate functions are SQL functions used to calculate results from multiple rows of data and to return one summarized value. They are important because businesses constantly need reports like total revenue, average salary, or highest sales value. In real companies, analysts use these functions for dashboards and monthly summaries. In this example, MAX returns highest salary, MIN gives lowest salary, and count calculates total records. Count function helps calculate total number of records in a table or column. It is widely used when businesses need to know customer counts, order totals, or active users. Interviewers often ask the difference between count star and count column. In this example, count star counts all rows, count column ignores null values, and count distinct counts unique cities. SUM function calculates the total of numeric values from multiple rows. Companies use SUM to calculate revenue, expenses, profits, and total units sold. In interviews, you may be asked how to calculate total sales or department budget. In these examples, SUM adds payment amounts, sales quantity, and profits from business tables. AVG function calculates the average of numeric data values. Businesses use averages to analyze salaries, pricing, performance scores, and customer ratings. Recruiters ask AVG questions to check understanding of analytical SQL logic. In these examples, average salary, product price, and exam score are calculated. MAX and MIN functions help identify highest and lowest values in a dataset. Companies use them to track highest sales, lowest expenses, earliest dates, or latest joining records. Interviewers may ask these for optimization or business logic questions. In this example, order amounts and joining dates are analyzed. Group by group similar records together before applying aggregate functions. This is essential when businesses need department-wide summaries, city-wide sales, or category reports. Interviewers frequently ask group by questions. In this example, employees are grouped by department and counted separately. Having clause filters grouped records after aggregation. It is different from where, because where filters rows before grouping. Businesses use having to find departments with more than a certain number of employees or products above target sales. In this example, only departments with more than 5 employees are displayed. SQL interviews often test practical understanding rather than theory. Common questions include where versus having, aggregate functions with group by, and null handling and count. Businesses expect candidates to solve reporting scenarios. In this example, customer counts are grouped by city and filtered. Aggregate functions are foundational for dashboards and KPI reporting. Companies use them to calculate revenue totals, customer ratings, and operational metrics for decision-making. Interviewers like candidates who understand business context. In these examples, revenue and ratings are summarized for management. SQL mastery comes from consistent practice and solving real interview questions. Aggregate functions are beginner-friendly but highly practical in analytics and development roles. Practice these examples on sample databases and improve confidence before interviews. If this video added value to your life, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.